Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today let's discuss, is it true that Russians swear a lot? I will not pronounce these words in the video because first I can be blocked, second I'm not used to use these words. In Russian it's just a huge number of these words, or better say forms of words. We have just some words and then we have forms of these words. As a linguist, I don't think this is something good or something bad. For me, this is more like an object of study. And the first idea that Russians swear because of Tatar-Mongol yoke. Also, like these words exist in Russian for a long time before Christianity. We have mainly three words and already these three words from them we create many different forms of these words. Honestly, we swear a lot in Russia, and even sometimes children. Well-educated people will not pronounce this word often. Swearing is already like a part of our culture anyway. I believe these words have very strong energy and also negative energy, and this is why I try not to pronounce them often, only when I'm very stressed. This is very interesting that when I was a student in our university, we were joking that students from different countries, they learn these course words much faster than any other words. I think because the pronunciation of these words is really has a very strong energy and people feel it. I believe that these words help us to express emotions and to help with stress. But I say I'm negatively think about it when people just pronounce it, after every word, when they already don't understand how to speak normally and use it very often. So I believe people have to understand when they need to speak beautiful literature language and when they can use these words. Sometimes I also pronounce these words, but only with my close friends who I feel comfortable with. This is also a very bad thing when men pronounce these words when girls around, when women around, or children. For men to pronounce these words when women or children are near, this is just impolite. I tried to find any researches on how many Russians say these words, but I think maybe half of Russians. There is in the middle like 20%, but I think maybe 20% just pronounce it kind of often, and the other part is just pronounce it rarely. But sure, when it's like a stress situation, I've heard it almost from any person. Yeah, so guys, write me what you think about these words. Do you use them? Do they exist in your language? How many words you have? So let's discuss it. And also, if you're interested to learn Russian language with me, you can follow the link in description to this video and book your first class there. Have a good day.